Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. So I'm going to be taking you guys a little bit with me today. I'm in the process of moving things out, donating things. I have sold some things and I'm just trying to get a storage unit today and get a U-Haul to finish this thing up. So the things that will be pretty much here will be things that I'll either be getting rid of or we just need for like the meantime until it's go time. So yeah, before we get into this video, like this video, hit the post notifications, and let's get into this video. So right now I'm about to head out now because I'm going to the storage unit and to get the U-Haul truck. So that's where I'm heading to right now. So far with some things it's looking like, it's looking a little crazy. Massimo trying to bring this scooter with us. I'm like, you cannot bring your scooter with us. Look at him. So I'm at the U-Haul place. About to see what they got for me. Get off of that, Massimo.
You returned it. The storage piece off in 1 moment. How you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you? I'm not called yesterday. Spoke to somebody, but I was interested in getting a storage unit and like a U-Haul, probably like the van one.
So this is how we say do that.
And I'm thinking like maybe a 4x4 storage, like something small.
The lowest we have is a 5x5 storage.
Oh, okay.
I mean, what, 5x6? Pardon me.
Oh, okay.
And 1 second. Would you like to add this to save on file? You want to save this card on file or not? Sure. Girl, you running? You did not need to be running. I'm trying to hurry up. She said, I'm trying to get it done.
You told me the lowest storage unit y'all had was a 5x10.
Yeah.
Can I see what that looks like?
Yeah, sure.
I just want the smallest thing, and I would like to look at it. And I wanted the cargo van. I'll do like a cargo van style instead of the regular box.
Did I create a reservation for you? Because I think I've talked to you on the phone, maybe.
Well, I called yesterday, so I think it was a female.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember speaking to a female, but I just thought I was gonna come in person either that day or today. I was just gonna come in.
The only reason I asked that is because we're a little low on trucks right now, so I'll have to see what we have.
Even the vans.
It says,
Yeah, especially
payment's still in
vans.
progress.
Get something.
Yeah, I might have
What
some.
kind of, you
might
got
have a
debit
van,
or
actually.
Okay.
you got a regular bank?
Sorry, I'm waiting for my report for now.
Momo, come here, baby.
I can try to use my mom's.
All right, so let me show you the units.
Momo.
I'm gonna go get her.
Boy, they sell those. Come on. He's standing on it like they sell these boxes now. If you step it out of the box, I may have to get a box.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Oh, you want me to come with you? Oh, okay. Come here, Massimo. Come here, baby.
So it'll be through that door on the left.
Okay. Come on, Mama. And this is climate control.
This is not, no.
Yeah, I want it to be climate.
Okay.
Where's that going? My shoe. Yeah, I want it to be like a climate control.
So the climate controls are, and unfortunately they will require stairs, and I'll show you what that. I can show you what that looks like. But for now, I'll show you this one as well.
Oh, that means I have to walk upstairs to put my stuff in it?
Yeah. Now I'll show you what those kind of stairs. They're not like. See how these units are on top of each other? That's the same thing on the 4th floor, and so you'll have to walk upstairs all up to that level. Yeah, and here is the size.
Oh yeah, this should be perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Just the smallest size. Okay.
No, I'll show you the climate.
Yeah, I want the climate. Only because of the smells. Like if you have like certain, just to be safe. Have insurance on those ones too?
Yeah.
So everything has to have insurance. Okay. Well, excuse me, partner. You gotta pull it back.
Pull it back a bit.
Yep, then close it all the way. All the way. Wait, you gotta
Lift it first.
lift it. Like this. Now pull it. Hurry up, Massimo. Good boy. Okay.
Sweet.
Alrighty. So these basically have like air conditioning and stuff.
Yeah. No, like I could take cash for the thing, but well, I need a card to put on later for auto pay.
You use that same card I gave you.
I'll have to do it like again. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
It's a whole ordeal.
In a truck.
That's right. We is in the truck. I got a shot. We go.
Oh, yeah. Mom, dang, there's a lot of seatbelts.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We in the truck. Matt Momo's like, we in the truck. We in the truck.
We in the truck. We in the truck.
We in the truck. We in the truck. We in the truck. All right, you guys. So I'm back home. It's starting to get real. My son is helping me and his friend, but now the baby started whining, so I gotta make sure the baby is straight. So yeah, it's a lot, y'all. Having a baby and ooh, excuse me, there's so much we have to do. We literally have like less than 2 hours to get everything together. So I'm trying to help them as soon as possible. But Wizzy seems okay for now. Yeah, he seems okay for now. So let me just try to help the boys really quick, and then I'll be right back. All right, then just grab that. We can just sit down on top. So I'm gonna open up the elevator. All right, you guys. Good. All right. We did it! Ah, everything's in the storage. Now we are heading back to the U-Haul truck. I want to try to drop off the things at Salvation Army and Goodwill. Hopefully we can still do that. Because I have the truck basically at least to like 10. So I might as well, you know, do what I wanted to do. They just close at 7. All right, come on, boys. Hold on. It's like a mixture of stuff. I'm sure they're gonna go through all that stuff. What's what? Some of that stuff is like brand new, like stuff for moms. Just... Hey, so y'all, I'm finally back home. It's like, I want to say probably 7, 8 something at night maybe. And yeah, so I'm home. We did that, y'all. All timing wise. Shout out to my boys for helping and everything. Yeah, so pretty much we got everything in the storage unit. Of course, there's still some stuff here, but there's stuff like I'll either throw in the trash, take out to the dumpster, little stuff like that, and just cleaning up. And just really just washing clothes, seeing what we're really going to use, what we're going to get rid of, that sort of thing. But I don't really plan on putting nothing else really probably in the storage now. All this stuff will either come with us or it's going to be gone. Either way, if I really do have to put something in storage, we'll probably do that another time if I'm able to. If not, then it is what it is. There's probably like maybe 2 or 3 more things I can try to sell that's here. So yeah, I'm just so thankful. Anybody who probably like, you know, contributed, helped, whatever, I'm really thankful. And if anybody's willing to send a donation or something to help with our move out situation, everything, because now it's getting real. At the Salvation Army, I was able to drop off the bags of clothes, like everything I had as far as that, and a taller bed. However, the bag of food, they want to take the bag of like the canned food or anything. So I did just bring it back here because I don't want to just like toss it or anything, and it's just food. Somebody can use it. So I don't know if somebody, or if I was to probably, I don't know, get a lift ride to a food bank, drop it off, maybe something, because I do want to get rid of it. I'm going to give it to somebody in need because I don't want to have all this stuff to carry, all this heavy stuff. It's just a lot, especially with me dealing with the baby and my 2 other kids. So yeah, pretty much it's just straighten up. So tomorrow we're gonna chill the rest of the day. I'm gonna cook dinner. Tomorrow I'll like straighten up, clean up, things of that nature. So yeah, show me some love, like this video, check out my other videos, all that good stuff, and I appreciate the support. So yeah, and just pray, you know, me and my children, we get through this. And you know, my oldest son is already asking about can we move here, can we move there, and I'm like, It's not that simple, but I really hope this journey is not as bad as it may seem, and that this will be a smooth transition. And even though it's probably going to take some time, I just want to be able to get through it the best way I could. And really, to only get through it will just be, with God, So, and again, support. So I appreciate any support that I can get, because it's getting more real, y'all. This place is getting empty. It's being about that time that we say goodbyes to this place. So all I could do is be strong. I know as much as I probably want to break down and cry, I just have to be strong. I have to be strong for my babies, and just do the best that I can moving forward. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.